Hi everyone, welcome to Competitive Pharmacy. Today we are going to deal 10 MCQ from the chapter Tablets. 10 MCQ and its explanation. First question, as per BP or IP, the weight variation limit of tablet weighing 80 mg or less. Option A plus or minus 5 percentage. Option B plus or minus 7.5 percentage. Option C plus or minus 10 percentage. Option D none of this. So correct answer is option C plus or minus 10 percentage. For IP or BP, tablet weighing 80 mg or less, the limit is plus or minus 10 percentage, where it is the weight is more than 80 mg or less than 250 mg, the limit is plus or minus 7.5, and if the weight of the tablet is more than 250 mg, then the limit is plus or minus 5 percentage. For USB, 130 mg or less, the weight variation limit is plus or minus 10 percentage. To 130 to 324, the limit is 7.5 percentage. If more than 324 is the tablet weight, then the limit is plus or minus 5 according to USB. Moving to next question. A disintegration time of dispersible tablet is within option A 5 minutes, option B 3 minutes, option C 15 minutes, option D 30 minutes. Correct answer is option B 3 minutes. For uncoated tablets, 15 minutes is the disintegration time. Coated tablet, filling coated 30 minutes. For coated tablet other than filling coated is 60 minutes. Oro dispersible tablet within 1 minute should be disintegrated. For effervescent tablet, 5 minutes will be the disintegration time. So disintegration time of a dispersible tablet is within 3 minutes. Next question. The shape of the tablet is determined by option A punches, option B dies, option C both A and B, option D none of these. So the shape of the tablet is determined by the dies. Next question. As per Haeckel plot, larger Ky value of the raw material of the tablet indicate option A, the tablet require high amount of disintegrants. Option B, tablet require high amount of binders. Option C, tablet require low amount of disintegrants. Option D, tablet require low amount of disintegrants and high amount of binders. Correct answer is option A. For Haeckel plot, larger Ky of the raw material indicate that the tablet require high amount of disintegrants. Next question. Large value of Ky in the Haeckel plot indicate the formation of what quality of tablet? Option A, harder tablets. Option B, softer tablets. Option C, fluffy tablets. Option D, brittle tablets. So, larger value of Ky, we have seen that for raw material, large value of Ky indicates that tablet require high amount of disintegrants. But here the question is asking of large value of Ky in Haeckel plot indicate the formation of what quality of tablet? Will form a harder tablet when the last value of Ky in the Haeckel plot indicate harder tablet. Haeckel plot is the plot that plot with the intensity versus applied pressure. This follows the first order kinetics. Lower value of Ky forms brittle tablets, while larger value of Ky in Haeckel plot forms a harder tablets. Lower value of Ky forms a brittle tablets. Next question. Which of the following is most suitable diluent for a directly compressible tablet? Option A, polyvinyl pyrrolidine. Option B, microcrystalline cellulose. Option C, carboxymethyl cellulose. Option D, hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose. So for directly compressible tablet, we use microcrystalline cellulose. Option B is the correct choice. Microcrystalline cellulose, MCC, is one of the most important tableting excipients thanks to its outstanding dry binding property. enabling the manufacturers of the tablet by direct conversion. So it is this MCC have dry binding property. So it is used for the manufacture of tablets by directly compressible by direct compression method. So the most suitable diluent for a directly compressible tablet here is microcrystalline cellulose. Next question. Which problem can arise if the material to be compressed into tablet tends to adhere dye-wall? Option A, picking. Option B, sticking. Option C, capping. Option D, marking. So the correct choice is option B, sticking. So when the tablet tend to adhere dye-wall, the property is known as sticking. Reason for this is improper dried or improper lubricated granules. So reason for sticking is improper dried or improperly lubricated granules is the reason for sticking. Then what is picking? Never get confused with the sticking and picking. Sticking is the tablet tends to adhere dye-wall due to improper dried or improper lubricated granules. Then picking, small amount of material from a tablet is sticking to and being removed from the tablet surface by a punch face. So here it is attached to adhere to dye wall. Then the material tends to adhere to dye wall, it is sticking. Then when small amount of material from the tablet is sticking to and is removed off from the tablet surface by a punch face, then it is known as sticking. It is by punch face, and it is known as picking. If it's adhere to the dye wall, it is known as sticking. Next question, thickness of the tablet is measured by option A, sliding caliper scale, option B, rotating disc technique, option B, fibrillator, option D, all the above. So thickness of tablet is measured by, identify the word caliper in this option. So sliding caliper scale. Even a small, our regular vernier caliper can also used for measuring the thickness of tablet. The sliding caliper scale is also used for measuring the thickness of tablet. Even we can use the normal vernier caliper. Option A is the correct choice. Next question. Capping of tablet is due to option A, large amount of fines in granulation. Option B, poorly finished dyes. Option C, deep concave punches or beveled edge faces of punches. Option D, all the above. The correct answer is all the above. So when is capping occur? Capping happens when air is trapped with the tablet during compression. The term tablet capping is used when either the upper or lower part of the tablet separate horizontally, either partially away from the main body or completely to form cap when ejected from the pressor during handling process. So capping is either used when either the upper or lower part of the tablet is separated, then is known as capping. Question number 10. Defect in tablet manufacture characterized by deformed edge is known as option A, picking, option B, sticking, option C, viscering, option D, orange peel defect. Correct answer is viscering. Then viscering is tablet. Defect in tablet manufacturing characterized by deformed edges. What is orange peel effect? Picking, sticking we have seen in last slide. Picking, what is picking and what is sticking. Now what is orange peel effect? Orange peel effect is bumping and surface of applied peeling coating is extremely rough. Then it is known as orange peel effect. So we have finished the 10 MCQ from the chapter tablet. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.